Good morning, my dear children. Welcome back to science class of grade 2. Today we are going to start a new block. In previous lessons we learned many things about birds and animals. In today's class we are going to look at the plants and we need to sort them. Okay? Ready? Yes. How many plants do you see around you? How the plants are different? We saw different types of plants and they are different each other. How the plants are different? Good. Their leaves are different, stems are different. Good. Fruit is also different. Yeah, everything different, right? So in today's class we will sort the plants according to their stem. Okay, now you have to observe the pictures of some plants. We have to classify them under two heads, climbers and creepers. You may not know the meaning, but we will learn the meaning gradually. I will explain for you. Okay, after observing the pictures, you will understand it easily. Okay, observe the pictures, children. We can see a pea plant. Then next is a pumpkin plant. Next, grape. Next, watermelon. How can we sort these plants, children? Yes, I told you just before, we are going to classify these plants on the basis of their stem. According to their stem, we are going to classify these plants. Here two plants climb with the help or support. Which are they, children? Two plants climb with the help or support. Which are they? Pea plant, pumpkin plant, grape, watermelon. Yes, which are the plants climbing up with a support? Very good. Pea plant, then pumpkin? No. Grape? Yes. So, pea plant and grape are climbing up with a support, with the help of a support. So, these plants are known as climbers. As their name says, they are climbing up with a support. So, these two are coming under climbers. The rest of the two, pumpkin and watermelon, are growing along the ground. The two are growing along the ground. Can they climb up? What will happen if a pumpkin or watermelon climb up with a support? Is it possible? No, because these pumpkin and watermelon, their fruits are very heavy. So they cannot climb up. Understood? Good. Climbers means the plants which are climbing up with the help of support. Examples, pea plant and grape. Then pumpkin plant and watermelon are creepers. They are growing along the ground. Okay, so they are creepers. Understood? Children, now you help me to complete this. Okay, what do you know about climbers? Yes, climbers need a support to grow. Very good. Climbing up with a support. Now you have to say two examples also. Yes, which are they? The first one, pea plant. Next, grape. What about creepers? How are they growing? Yes, growing along the ground Then examples? Yes, good. Pumpkin. Next, watermelon. Have you observed the stem of both climbers and creepers? How are they? Are they very strong? No. The stem of both climbers and creepers are very soft and weak. We can break it very easily. Now we can complete our S1, lesson 1 in our workbook. Ready? Write the date, all of you. The heading, climbers and creepers. The first question, how are the plants different from each other? How the plants are different? I told you in the beginning how the plants are different. Yes, the plants are different in many reasons. Which are they? You know. Yes, because you answered no in the beginning. Yes, that you have to write there. The next question, which of this is a climber? We can see the pictures of jasmine and cucumber plant there. Yes, from the picture itself we can understand which is climber and which is creeper, because we studied already. Easy, no? Yes. Then the third question, what will happen if a pumpkin plant is given support to climb up on a wall? Is it possible for a pumpkin plant to climb up? Why? Yes, the fruits are very, very heavy. Good. Okay. We completed first lesson and S1. Now we are again going to classify the plants on the basis of stem. Okay, as herbs and shrubs. Observe the pictures, children. You can see 4 plants. Which are they? Mint plant, rose plant, hibiscus and coriander. So now we need to sort these 4 plants on the basis of their stem. Which of the plants have the same type of stem? You just observe, children. Yes, if we classify these 4 plants on the basis of their stem, the mint plant and coriander plant will come in the same group. How? Mint and coriander plant will come in the same group. Yes, these 2 will come in the same group. Then which are the next 2? Yes, hibiscus and rose. Children, how could you classify them? How could you? On the basis of what you classified these 2 plants? Yes, we classified on the basis of stem. Good. The first group, mint and coriander plants are small. Yes, good. And what about their stem? Is it a strong stem? Plants are small and they have weak stem. Then, yes, soft and thin. These plants are known as herbs. Okay, these are herbs. Herbs, examples mint and coriander. What about the plant? Small and weak. Okay. Then the next group, hibiscus and rose. Look at the plant, all of you. The plants are very strong and woody. And they have many branches too. Have you observed it? Yes. So which group is stronger? Yes, the second group. So these are shrubs. So again we classified the plants under 2 heads. First, herbs and shrubs. Shrubs are very strong and woody. They have woody stem and which are very strong too. And the next, herbs are small, soft and thin. We can break it very easily. And one more thing I want to say, the two groups we made by observing the pictures, right? The stem of shrubs are stronger than herbs. The stem of shrubs are stronger than herbs. The stem of climbers and creepers are very soft when we compare with the herbs and shrubs. Also the shrubs live longer. They live for many years. But the herbs live few months only. Children, now it's time to do our S2. We can do it. Write the date and read the heading. Herbs and shrubs. Then the first question, which part of the plan helps us to sort the plants into different groups? What helps us to sort the plants into different groups? You know it. Write it, okay? Write in small sentences. Then circle shrubs and write reasons. Circle the shrub. 3 pictures are there. You have to circle the shrub. One is shrub among these 3 pictures. So you have to circle it as shrub. You have to write it. Then the third question, coriander plants do not grow high. Why? What kind of plant is coriander? You know. They belongs to which category? Herb or shrub? Yes. Which is growing? You know about the plants and you can write this answer very easily. So complete all the works. You have to read the content book, the 2 lessons, herbs and shrubs, climbers and creepers. Complete S1 and S2. Write practice questions 1 to 4. Okay. Stay safe. Thank you.